Bro, you really that mad, bro? What are you? Alright, so can't do something next. You breaking now? You breaking now? $600. You always playing around. That's not. This is in your face. This is in your face. It's not in your face. It's on my face. Alright, watch out, bro. Watch out. Do not break my. Do not break my camera.
Alright, get it out my face.
That's all I'm saying. It's not in your face.
Bro, it's in my face.
Alright, I'm not. We can turn this camera off, bro, because shit actually get broke. You will be paying for a new one.
Then get this shit out my face, bro. You still recording me?
This is in your face, bro. It's over here. It's on you. That's it.
Alright, don't put it on me then.
This thing. Oh, you really mad right now?
Yeah, cause
it was a prank, bro. It's over.
I don't care, dude. You waking me up and shit, man.
Gang, gang, gang. What's going on to the RJSQUAD, man? It is your boy, RJSQUAD. Now, before I get this video, I want you guys to know to follow me on Instagram right now. Right now. Stop what you're doing. Stop watching this video. Follow me on Instagram at RJSQUAD. Get me into 15K. I am right now at 14.7. If you're coming from this video, comment under my recent RJSQUAD we be cooking, man. So I know you guys came from this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this prank I did on the HBK day, man. It was crazy. Hope you guys enjoy. Like this video, subscribe. Let's get it. What's going on to the RJSQUAD, man? You see I got in the cut, man. You see HBK day, man. You know what I'm saying? So basically, we're going to like this little, like, it's not like a mountain party. It's like a little kickback thing. It's like up in the mountains. So look, we black. You know what I'm saying? We don't belong in no mountains and no types of darkness, you know what I'm saying? But we about to go up here.
Who said that on the party though?
Remember that one girl? I sent you the snap, and she was like, it's a little kickback up here, all the girls. It's like literally like 4 boys, 1, 2, and like 10 girls. So hey, what you about to? Oh, that's a little weird though. It's some type of get out type shit. They might try to sell us.
I'm just saying, I don't remember you sending anything.
Yes, you remember? Oh, we going up here right now. So get ready. We're gonna be in the mountains. We're gonna go through tunnels and all that. So we gonna be.
You know, I don't like mountains and stuff. I had bad experiences in there, man.
For real?
I don't like no mountains and stuff.
There's tunnels. Remember this was the kids died in the bus?
Yeah, I've never been up here before, man.
For real?
Oh.
Before we get this video though, my name is RJSQUAD. If you guys are new to this channel, man, go down below. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that bell, join the RJSQUAD, because y'all know, man. What do we be doing?
Cooking, man. Hey,
we be cooking, man. Y'all know this. So go down below, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. But hey, we on our way right now. What do you mean?
Why, like, where are you gonna make this video? You don't have no ideas to make this video. Like,
I just wanna make like a vlog, cause it's gonna be crazy. We're gonna be up in the mountains. Like it's a tunnel where like kids actually died.
You gonna record it?
Like a vlog, yeah. Just for fun.
That's a weird video, but okay.
You don't think it's gonna be a good video?
I really don't want to go up here. But
why not? Why not? You never been? I'm telling you, it's actually fun up here. It's like everyone get lit, all that stuff.
Hopefully, I don't know. I might sit in the car though.
Bro?
Yeah, I don't like mountains and tunnels and stuff.
No, we gotta get out though to get to the top part. Let's go to sit there. Yeah.
Let's go do something else, bro.
All right, so look, we not like almost there. We got a long ways, but as you guys can see behind me, it's getting pretty dark. I mean, my windows they're tinted, but you still scary?
I'm not scared, but call it what you want to call it.
Like this man does not want to go up here, but we gonna actually be in the mountains. We're actually gonna be in the mountains, so you know what I'm saying. Hopefully nothing bad happens. I mean, I got a good amount of gas. You know what I'm saying. The car is good, so we should be straight though. Hey, I'll just say, man. Well, we make a left right now.
Your gas is not good. Fuck you talking about?
What do you mean? I mean, it's our look. Okay, let me show y'all the gas.
Hell no, you might want to turn your ass around, for real.
I mean, okay, it's kind of low, but it's not low like that though. I mean, we gonna make it. As y'all can see, look, it's up this way. You guys see how dark it is out here, bro.
Make it. It's almost on E.
Bro, we're gonna make it, bro.
Bro.
Why are you so scary? Why are you so skeptical?
It's scary. Nigga, your gas is now all the way full. We about to go up a mountain.
Okay, it doesn't have to be full to go up and down this mountain, bro.
Alright.
But yeah, as y'all can see, though, there's nothing to be worried about. Things.
Snowstorm, too.
It's already snowing up here anyway.
That's what I'm saying. So why are we going up here with no gas?
Bro, we're gonna be good, dude. It's not that. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. This man don't like partying? You don't like partying or something?
I do, but I don't know if it's worth it.
Bro, nothing's gonna happen. I mean, like, there's like, never mind. I ain't gonna say. I ain't wanna get you even more scared than you already are. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not scared. I'm just cautious.
All right, so as y'all can see, man, we up in the mountains. We still not even nowhere near. As y'all can see, we actually they have that big ass house, but look, we is up in the mountains though. I forgot to mention today, when we get up there, there's gonna be no service. Ain't no service. Literally, you have no bars up here. Can't call nobody. Can't contact nobody. you're gonna be done for. Like literally, I'm just letting you know.
Get stuck or something.
I'm not saying if it gets stuck or nothing. I'm just letting you know. Like
talking like we finna get stuck or something.
No, I'm just letting you know. You never been up here before. I've been up here multiple times.
So why are you recording us about to go to a party? We never do that when we go to a party.
What? I can't put some new content on my channel? Just like going to a party? Like this is going. I do a truth or dare.
We go to parties all the time. You never record that. Why are you recording this?
Bro, we might do a truth or dare. There's like 10 females and 4 guys.
Alright.
That'd be a good ass video. Truth or dare? 10 girls, 4 guys.
True.
We finna be in straight woods.
You're on the wrong side of the street. That's what you're on.
I know one's coming down the street though, bro. Look, this dude is actually scary, bro.
You're not gonna put this in the video, so I'm not tripping.
Alright, you're right. See, I told you I ain't playing no games, bro. When I say it's wildlife, it's wildlife. As y'all see, he thought I was joking. I said we have to go through tunnels, but oh, you heard that?
Unlock your door.
Unlock it, bro. Why you guys so scary?
Stop locking it. Stop
Why you so scared? Lock the door.
Why are you unlocking the door? It's weird.
This is with the kids, like the bus. There's bus pieces in here still, bro. Like there's the kids died out. I'll tell you, look it up.
Why are you recording?
Bro, because it's like a vlog. It's like something I want like.
The road's bumpy as hell. Bro,
it's not that serious, but so look, if y'all don't know where I'm at right now, it's a place called Gold Camp. Look it up. There's kids that actually died in this tunnel. There's 2 tunnels. If you like turn off the lights and like roll on your window, you come out with like handprints on the car. I might do that on the way back down.
Nah.
Oh shit.
That's what I said. Put the camera down. Stop playing too much.
Oh shit.
God damn, you making me mad for real.
Oh shit, bro. The car? What the fuck is a car?
Bro, let's just go. Nigga, why are we going up here? That's what I don't understand.
What? Dude, why are you scary, bro?
I'm not scared. I'm not worried about going to this party right now, all the way in the mountains.
Bro, we're like literally up here, bro. Let me take this shit out. I gotta get out. Hold on, put this shit in park. What the f? Take this shit out.
I'm getting out.
Bro, just get out the car. You gonna leave it up by myself?
Shit.
Like, why are you so scary, dude? Put this shit right here. I'm just gonna keep this shit and keep recording just in case something happens, you know what I'm saying? Alright, bro, so we think something just happened. I think something just happened. I hit a big ass bump. This car right here is going. I don't know if he's gonna stop or he's gonna just keep going past us.
You got your emergency brake?
He's gonna keep going. He's gonna keep going, bro. I'm gonna go out and check. It's dark outside right now. I'm gonna go see real quick.
I'm not going nowhere.
Bro, just get out the car.
Hell no. Why you keep unlocking the door? Stop unlocking the door.
Bro, I gotta just see something happens, bro. Man, this nigga, man.
Dude, so goofy. Hey, stop play. Man, nigga play too much, bruh. Nigga play way too much, bruh. Your ass so goofy.
Why you so scared? Why you so bad right now?
Why you knocking on the door?
You about to come out here real quick though, for real. Just come out here real quick. I think we got a flat or something. Let me just turn the car off real quick. Oh shit. Why did I turn the car off for?
What happened?
Hey, hold on. The keys out.
You knocking on the window and stuff. Alright.
Hold on. Bro. Oh my god, the battery.
Stop playing with me.
No, hold on. Wait. Heard that noise? Nigga, it's not turning on for real. Nigga, why you laughing?
Get in the car and try to turn it on, and then you play with me.
Bro, what do you mean? It's a push to start. All you have to push it. Hold the brake. Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Nigga, what's wrong with you, dude?
I thought something was on me. I'm not playing no games. I'm not getting out the car, so I'm not worried about it.
All these windows, I can't see shit. They got the car. Hold on.
Why you might want to turn the camera on.
Bro, I'm not worried about that camera right now. The car is.
Alright, you're wasting minutes.
What about that, bro? Bro, the car. Bro. It says foot on the brake and then push the button. The foot is on the brake. Now I'm finna watch. Bro, the car is not turn. Nigga, what are you doing, bruh?
I'm not worried about it. I'm gonna sleep.
Go to sleep.
I'm not worried about
I'm finna go ahead and just walk.
Shit.
I'm dead ass. I'm finna just walk. I'm gonna turn these lights on. Y'all finna see me walk that way because the party is that way. You can stay your ass in here. And yeah. So you gonna stay in here?
Yeah, I'm not going out there.
Alright, the party is up there. Keep going up the hill to the left. You trying to go?
Is those lights right there?
No, that's probably another car parked up there. It's far, but I'm going up there.
Why are they parked up there?
Oh no, go ask them. I'm going, bro.
I'm cool right here.
Alright.
You gonna leave the camera on?
Bro, I'm not worried about it. If you want to vlog something, I'm gone.
I'm not gonna touch the camera. I'm not worried about it. His ass so goofy. Why is he walking? Shit. RJ Squad, man, if you see him get attacked by a mountain lion, just know I did everything in my power not to make him walk. He's goofy as hell. Look at his ass. Look at his ass. Come on. Nigga, what? Go, come where? Yep, come on. Right on back. I can just see a mountain lion eating his ass right now. Take him off the cliff. Look at this dude. Goofy as hell. I got shit to do. You got me out here in the middle of a mountain, man. Can we go, dude?
Nigga, what do you mean go?
You walked up there for no reason. Why'd you walk up there? Let me know.
I didn't think you actually gonna stay in the car.
Yeah, why would I get out the car? It's freezing outside, bro.
It's not even cold out there, bro.
You goofy, dude.
You know we're in the mountains, right? Mountain lions, bears.
Exactly.
Let me show you.
I'm a smart one in this situation. You're getting out the car.
Let's just walk up there quick.
Hell no.
Let me show y'all where we're at, bro. I don't know if y'all can even see outside right now. Hell nah, but it's straight forest over there. Straight forest, as y'all can see up there. This thing is really mad. Dude, you gonna just sit in the car?
Why do you keep unlocking my door? I don't understand that. Why do you keep unlocking the door?
Bro, what do you mean? These looks like the Slender Man?
Why are you still recording? I don't understand. Why are you still recording? We're stuck, obviously, and you still recording.
Can you just get out the car with me real quick so I can check under the hood real quick?
Get out the car?
And just record me real quick so I can just have this for footage, bro. This is footage.
But what the what video can you make out of this? I'm starting to get mad, bro. What video can you make out of this?
Okay, and I'm supposed to, you supposed to care that you're mad? What do you want me to do?
What video can you make out of this though? We stuck up here, you trying to record and stuff. You talking about a party? Where the hell is it gonna be? We in the middle of nowhere. Where's the party gonna be at?
Bro, it's up there. You see cars going by, they're going to the party, bruh. Just get out of me real quick though. Am I supposed to start walking a little bit?
It's 7:40. I'm coming back in the car at 7:43. Word to my mother.
God damn, this thing actually staying in the car and shit. Gotta bring my flashlight. This thing actually.
Well, it's dark as hell out here.
Okay, I know. Look, as you guys can see, you guys cannot see me unless I have a flashlight on me. There's literally, it's straight forest. No. Y'all hear that?
That goddamn.
Well, let's just walk, bro. Let's just walk.
Hell no.
Nigga, come on.
Bro, you don't see that tunnel behind us? That bitch scary. I'm not gonna cap.
Anyways, as y'all can see, we are out here. You only can see me with the light. This thing is actually scary.
Oh shit, man. I'm telling you, nigga, I'm finna go back inside.
Bro, what?
Cause if that shit happens again, I'm going. I'm leaving, bro.
As y'all can see, look, I'm gonna get close up so y'all can see like the little bushes. It's straight forest, dark as hell. Bro, just come on. What are you doing, dude?
Alright.
This thing is actually mad.
How are we walking? I'm finna go back inside.
Oh shit!
Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, dude. I'm going inside. I'm not fucking with you no more.
Hey, bro, I gotta tell you something quick.
Car, dude.
Start up the car. How you gonna start the car?
I don't know, dude. You almost bust my ass.
Nigga.
Dude.
I gotta tell you something, though. I think it's a prank, bruh.
So you're not going to a party?
No. Look, watch. The car started.
I'm about to hit you, nigga. You want to put on your lights? Stop playing. Put on your lights.
Bro, it's on, bro.
I'm about to hit you. All right.
Look, hold on. This car is actually right here.
Shit.
So there's not.
You ran out of gas?
No, it was actually. I just turned off the car. I just wasn't hitting. I wasn't holding down the actual brake. This nigga.
So you drove all the way up here just to say.
Just to prank you, yeah. I could have kept it going, nigga. Actually, you over here talking about. Look, if y'all look, bruh, y'all probably can see now. Y'all see this? It's literally forest, rocks, big ass pop. Speaking of, hold on, go to this. Okay, go to this shit.
I'll climb all the way up there.
Shit, yeah, alright.
Watch here. Start the car. Let me go up there.
Come up there.
Hey.
Go.
Where?
Oh, she's a mountain lion?
Stop there with me. Where? Where do you want me to climb up to?
Come up there.
Look, show them how far it is.
Bro, I'm telling you, dude, you can't even get it because of how high it is. I'm telling you, it's high, bruh. Man, so I pranked this man. I lucky took a dub. This man was actually scared. Why are you so scared though, dude?
Bang on the window and shit. That's nothing to play around with.
Bro, we're only in the forest. Nothing's gonna happen up here, bruh. Out of all the people, why would it happen to us?
I know you don't watch scary movies. That's why.
What?
I watch a lot of scary movies, man.
So you actually believe in those scary movies?
Hell yeah.
All right, man. So we're barely even up there, man.
I'm gonna take a flick of this for the Instagram story.
It's crazy. This nigga was just scared to get out the car, but now you want to get out and take a picture?
No one buy me.
All right, go ahead.
Should I put it on Snapchat, Instagram? It's a. Don't leave it up, bro.
I'm not, nigga.
I'll leave the door open too.
Leave it open. I'm gonna take off of this thing. Bye, nigga. Catch you later, boy. Yes. Oh shit. Nigga, what the fuck was that? Oh, he hit his head.
What the fuck you playing, dude? Fucking stop playing so much. Fuck.
Nigga, what was that? What hit the windshield?
Why the fuck you press the brake, dumbass dude? You dumb as
I had to stop to come get you. I was gonna keep going.
Why the fuck you press the brake so hard? You see me chasing you. Why the fuck would
How
you
was I
leave?
gonna see in the darkness?
Fucking head, bro. I dropped my fucking phone. Wait, I dropped something. What the fuck?
Just a water bottle.
Stupid as fuck, dude.
Are you for real, bruh?
Yo, get the fucking camera on my face, bro.
Bro,
I hit my hand in the fucking door.
why are you mad, bruh? This nigga really mad.
Nigga, watch out, for real.
Watch out, hey, watch out, don't push it, watch out. Why you call me the B word though?
Cuz, nigga, you annoying as fuck right now. Fucking head is hurting for real. Like, for real, my shit throbbing. Goofy ass dude.
Bro, you really that mad, bruh?
Dude, get the
What are
camera
you?
on my face,
Alright, so can't do something next. You break it now.
Camera on my face.
You break it now.
Alright, get
It's
the camera on my
$600.
face then.
No, it's putting around. This not. This is in
I'm
your
just trying to
face.
take a
This
piss,
is in your
bro.
face. This is not in your face.
It's on my face.
Alright,
nigga.
watch
Stop
out,
putting this on
bro.
my face.
Watch out. Do not break my. Do not break my camera.
Alright, get it out my
Nah,
face.
that's all I'm saying. It's not in your face.
Bro, it's in my face.
Alright, I'm not. We can turn this camera off, bro, because shit actually get broke.
Alright,
We'll be
then
paying
get
for
it
a
out
new
my-
one.
Then get this shit out my face,
It's
bro.
not-
You still recording me.
This is in your face, bruh. It's over here. It's on you. That's it.
Alright, don't put it on me then.
This thing. Oh, you really mad right now?
Yeah, cause
it was a prank, bro. It's over.
I don't care, dude. You waking me up and shit, man.
This nigga really is taking a piss. Well, I'm gonna talk the lights, nigga. Oh, Dave, to your right, to your right. Oh,
fuck.
oh my god. Oh shit. Nigga, what are you doing on the floor?
Nah, bro, I swear to God, my neck, bro. I'm not even joking. I swear to God, nigga. Stop playing.
Bro, I was just playing. Nobody was over there.
I fucking tried to lights.
Bro, get up. Oh shit, Dave.
Playing, man. God damn. Fucking leg, stop playing. Fuck.
Why? That's what you get to get pissed outside, dude.
Get out my leg, nigga.
There's behind you. Nah, man. I'm done, bro. I'm done. Damn, look at your shirt.
Nigga, start recording. I swear to God, start recording. Bro.
Damn.